Hey and welcome to Alpha 1. In this video I will run Alpha 1 iBot. You can have this robot completely for free also. Just use the link you see up there now or the link you find below the video. Also make sure you use my promo code 200% on your first deposit. Only with my link will you get my robot, and only with my link can you deposit minimum $100 on BinBotPro. Yesterday I decided not to run the robot. The market was completely crazy, and I have the rule: if the market is so crazy that I can't trade it myself, why should a robot manage also? But today the market seems beautifully, so today we're going to run it and let's see how much money we make. Also make sure you check out my Forex signal group. Cost only $16 a month. Make sure you join that also, link below the video. So with that, let's see how we do in this trading day. just like that. It's Saturday today, we did run the robot. We decided not to run the robot yesterday because the market was basically crazy. It's a simple rule there. If you're not able to trade the market manually, why should a robot manage to trade it? That's the way I was thinking. So I did not run the robot yesterday. As you can see also, last trade was 22, today is 24. So, but today we made 1,488. Like I said, it looks like you are going to lose for a little while, but we came in the money, so I'm super happy with that. So one more successful day using Alpha 1 iBot. So with that, have an amazing day.